This video presents IoT technology to automate and monitor the nutrition of animals. The aim is to ensure proper food supply and provide insightful hints on the health status. The consumption of food and water is tracked, and the data is saved on a database on the cloud. Every statistic and setting for every pet is accessible through an online dashboard. The system for the food is built around an ESP32 integrated with a variety of sensors and motors. A scale measures the correct food quantity, while a laser and a photoresistor detect when food reserve is running low. Motors and limit switches manage a door and a conveyor to ensure accurate, jam-free dispensing. The water level system uses a hydrometer to detect the water level in the bowl and its consumption. When the level drops too low, the ESP32 activates the solenoid valve to allow water flow till the desired level is reached. This is the equipment overview. Let's see now the food consumption demo. Normally, the food is just tracked. If the animal eats, the consumption in grams is sent to the database through MQTT. If the food runs out and the bowl remains empty, the system sends the notification with the consumption information and the access door is closed, while the motor releases the food from the reserve. If the food from the reserve blocks the laser, then all is well. If the laser instead comes into contact with the photocell, the system sends the notification that the reserve food is running out. When the correct quantity of food is deposited in the bowl, the motor stops, the door opens, and the animal has access to the food. Let's go now to the water consumption demo. Since the last notification, water consumption has been 0 and 93% the level. If we pretend the animal is drinking, as soon as the level drops, the message with the consumption is sent, and the system goes back to tracking it. If there is no water anymore, the motor opens to fill the bowl again. For safety, there is a maximum remaining time, which, if reached, closes the valve and sends an error message. The water flows and the percentage is measured. As soon as the bowl is filled again, the motor is closed and the system returns back to tracking consumption. Lastly, we display the state machine of the food system and the state machine of the water system.